deputy CM and me. And I said, it is correct that he met me. I don't know about CM and deputy CM. I asked them, they said yes, but he met me, that is more important. So this was in 2nd week of March. See, suppose 2nd in February, simply got this type of information. So while he was getting up to 2nd week of March for whole month, this is important issue. It was his duty, at least he should say something in writing. At least it was his duty to register such and such things to certain records. But that is not done. He has disclosed all these things when he was about to transfer and he transfers. But all these things, I am not going in detail, it's not my job. Ultimately, to say we inquire, then we go in detail. Yesterday I also suggested, for the sake of inquiry, somebody should be senior most officer and whose reputation is of our own should take this responsibility. And I suggested, this is suggestion. Not, I have not discussed, I also said that I have not talked. Name of Sri Vivero. But Vivero has taken for this stand. He is not going to take any responsibility so that it is not there. Now for me, important issue is whatever this conversation, allegation, everything that Hussein will invest, that will come what is the truth. But from my side, what I understood is, important issue is what was the main case. Main case was certain items were kept in particular vehicle, somewhat near to house of Sri Ambani. Then, of course, police must have started investigating who has kept this vehicle, who owns this vehicle, and it looks like that they come to conclusion, or at least they got the information, may not be conclusion, but information, this particular jeep was in the custody of one deceased Syrian. And one fine morning we read the Syrian was assassinated. Now the investigation might have started here. What is the role of Syrian in this jeep? Is it correct that jeep was with him for many months? Is it correct that his jeep was taken from him by some police officer? And one fine morning we read, Syrian is no. Now, ATS Bombay has yesterday or today announced they have arrested 2 persons in connection with assassination of Syrian. So I think तो बात साफ हो रही है कि हिरेन की हत्या किसने की। हिरेन की हत्या करने वाले पुलिस को एटीएस को जो लगते हैं ऐसे लोगों को उन्होंने अरेस्ट किया। अभी बात आएगी आगे इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कि why he has done this, these 2 gentlemen has done this, whether somebody has told him, that is in investigation process, facts will come today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, can't say, but something will happen. But I am happy about one thing. The main case was not the allegation or anything from CP. Main case was certain material near Mr. Ambani's house, that was kept in GB. Then the G for the custody of so and so C, and ultimately the G who was claiming he was the owner of on his possession, he was assassinated, and ATS Bombay had reached and arrested those who were involved in assassination. So real case was that, and I think Bombay ATS is going on correct direction. So just to divert this entire investigation, while some people might be saying about something happened between him and Home Minister. Home Minister was asking such and such thing. Achha, when they made a statement, the Home Minister was asking, is there any reason, is there any actually cash transaction was given, any allegation? Just vague allegation has been made, and I honestly feel the investigation which is reaching at pinpoint, there was effort to divert that investigation, and now the truth is coming. Now you can ask if you want it. Yeah, in fact, when we got all this information, when we got that Mr. Deshmukh was hospitalized, and that's why the allegation was made exactly in the same place. And when he was in hospital, it established there is a hospital certificate, and the all government record also said that entire 3 weeks he was not in Bombay. He was in Nagpur, that is his hometown. And that's why in such situation, question doesn't arise.
सरकार कह रही है महाराष्ट्र की मुख्यमंत्री।
तो इस वक्त बड़ी खबर आ रही है, अनिल देशमुख के बचाव में फिर आए शरद पवार। फरवरी में अनिल देशमुख अस्पताल में थे। शरद पवार ने ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा, फरवरी में वजीर देशमुख की बातचीत की बात गलत है। शरद पवार ने ये बात भी अपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कही। परमबीर के दावे के ताल्लुक से जानकारी हासिल करने की कोशिश की। तो आपको एक बार फिर बता दें कि इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर आ रही है, अनिल देशमुख के बचाव में फिर आए शरद पवार। शरद पवार ने कहा कि फरवरी में अनिल देशमुख अस्पताल में थे। फरवरी में वजीर देशमुख की बातचीत की बात गलत। परमबीर के दावे के ताल्लुक से जानकारी हासिल करने की कोशिश की। शरद पवार ने ये बात भी कही है। तो इस वक्त बड़ी खबर आ रही है, लगातार एक सस्पेंस बरकरार था। उसके बाद शरद पवार ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की है। आज पार्लियामेंट के दोनों ऐवानों में भी इस ताल्लुक से हंगामा आराई देखने को मिली है। अनिल देशमुख के बचाव में शरद पवार एक बार फिर आगे आए हैं। फरवरी में अनिल देशमुख अस्पताल में थे। शरद पवार ने अपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये बात कही, फरवरी में वजीर देशमुख की बातचीत की बात गलत। शरद पवार ने इसका भी जिक्र अपनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में किया है। परमबीर के दावे के ताल्लुक से जानकारी हासिल करने की कोशिश की गई।